What if one of the best budget drones in America right now isn't the newest model, but the smartest buy? The DJI Mini 4K looks simple at first glance, but once it lifts off, you realize why so many first-time pilots and content creators are paying attention. This is the drone proving you don't need to spend premium money to get real cinematic aerial footage in 2026. The first thing that makes the DJI Mini 4K stand out is its weight. It comes in under 249 grams, which is a huge deal for US buyers because lightweight drones are easier to own, easier to travel with, and incredibly convenient for creators on the move. Throw it in a backpack, take it on road trips, vacations, hiking trails, beach days, or city shoots. It's built for people who want freedom without carrying a heavy setup. Now let's talk camera quality, because this is where many cheap drones fail. The DJI Mini 4K records true 4K video at 30 frames per second using a stabilized 3-axis gimbal. That means smoother footage, cleaner horizon lines, and more professional-looking shots even when wind or movement would ruin footage on cheaper drones. Whether you're filming sunsets, houses, cars, travel videos, YouTube B-roll, or family memories, this drone can deliver sharp footage that looks far above its price class. And if you're a beginner, DJI made this drone incredibly easy to fly. One-tap takeoff, auto-landing, stable hovering, return to home, and beginner-friendly controls help remove the fear most new pilots have. Lose signal? Low battery? Need a quick safety landing? It can automatically return to you. That alone saves beginners from panic moments and possible crashes. Battery life is another surprise. It offers up to 31 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions, which is excellent for a compact drone in this range. Real-world flying with wind and movement will be lower, but still enough to capture multiple shots in one session without feeling rushed. Serious users should consider extra batteries because once you start flying, one battery never feels enough. Transmission range is also impressive. It offers strong long-distance HD video feed capability, but the real benefit is better signal stability and fewer annoying disconnects while flying. That means more confidence, smoother sessions, and better control when you need it most. Now let's be honest about the weaknesses, because real reviews matter. This drone does not have obstacle avoidance sensors like premium DJI models, so you still need smart flying habits around trees, poles, wires, and buildings. It also lacks advanced subject tracking found on more expensive drones. If you need automated follow-me sports shots, this may not be the perfect fit, but if you want beautiful manual flight footage and reliable performance, it's excellent for the money. And here's the real truth for US buyers. The DJI Mini 4K has become one of the strongest value buys because prices have dropped aggressively. That makes it extremely hard to beat in today's drone market. You're getting DJI flight reliability, stabilized 4K